Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna actually show you the 2D array or the two-dimensional array. It's basically an array of arrays. So each element in the array is another array. Okay, so to make things clear, in the previous video we have seen the normal arrays or the 1D arrays, which is actually like array B right here, and this was a way of declaring this array, right? So to make a two-dimensional array, what we do is actually type in the data type. So I'm gonna make an integer to the array, so int, and then we place two square brackets followed by another two square brackets. All right, then we give the name of our array, then equal new, and then the data type, which is obviously integer, and then we give it the two dimensions of our array. So in this case I'm gonna make it 2 by 3 array, or basically you can look at this as a matrix. So this is like a 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows and 3 columns. Alright, or two integer array elements, each one has an array of size 3. To fill in this to the array, we actually address each row and each column, right? So the first element in the first row and first column is actually array A of 0, right? And then the first row and the second column I'm gonna put in 2, then the first row and the third column we're gonna put in 3, and then the second row and the first column is 4, second row second column 5, and then second column third row 6, right? I have a function here, or a method that I have implemented to print this array in the form of matrix. We're gonna look at this function later on when we talk about the methods, but for now this function is gonna just print out our array. So let's run this code, and as you can see right here, it printed a matrix, 2 by 3 matrix. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, as we expected. So that's it guys for this quick tutorial, and see you in the next one.